Hello children, please take out Maths Practice Paper 2B. Today I am going through question 12 and question 17. Let's first take a look at question 12a. In this question, we are supposed to find how much more water is needed to fill out the tank, which is 1/4 filled. You need to remember this, the tank is now 1/4 filled with water. And the fraction of tank not filled with water is 3/4. So the volume of water needed to fill out the tank completely is 3/4 multiplied by the volume of the tank. And the answer is 180,000 cm3. But we need to express our answer in liters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 cm3. So 180,000 will be equal to 180 liter. Now let's take a look at question 12b. We have two taps, X and Y. For X, the water is flowing in at 9 liters per minute. On the other hand, tap Y drains water from the tank at a rate of 5 liters per minute. This actually means that the water is flowing out at 5 liters per minute. Since the amount of water flowing in per minute is more than the amount of water flowing out per minute, we expect there will be increase of volume of water every minute. So, what will be the increase of the water in the tank every minute? It will be 9 minus 5 equal to 4. The increase of water in the tank every minute will be 4 liters. Remember, water needed to fill out the tank completely is 180 liters as found in part A. So to find the time needed to fill out the tank completely, we will have this. 180 divided by 4, 45. It will take 45 minutes to fill out the tank completely. We will now take a look at the last question, question 17. For this question, we are going to use guess and check. In guess and check, we need to take note of the following. What is the question asking? What are the conditions for the correct guess? And which condition are you going to guess and check? And how can you make use of the wrong guesses to find the right solution? Now, let's take a look at question 17 again. In this question, we want to find out the number of kaya buns bought on Monday and how much money did Hui Ni receive every day. So, what are the conditions for the correct guess? The amount of money spent on the buns on both days is the same. And the second condition is there are 20 more kaya buns than chicken buns. So, which condition is easier to guess and which condition is easier to check? For this question, I will guess condition 2 and check condition 1. So what do I mean by guessing the condition and checking the condition? I will show you shortly what I mean. To present our solution in guess and check, we need to use a table like this. In this question, I'm guessing the number of chicken bun and the number of kaya buns. And I need to check that the total cost of the chicken bun and the total cost of kaya bun is the same. So I have this column different in total cost to help me to check. Let's now start guessing. I guess that the number of chicken buns is 10. The kaya bun will have to be 30 because we know there's 20 more kaya buns. Next, we will check whether the total cost of chicken bun and the total cost of kaya bun is the same. They are not the same and the difference is $11. So, this is a wrong guess. Now, let's guess the number of chicken buns is 20. So, the kaya bun is 40 because 20 plus 20. And the total cost of chicken bun will be $26 because there's 20 multiplied by 1.3. And the total cost of kaya bun will be $32 because it's 40 multiplied by 0.8. These two are not the same and the difference is $8. So the guess is wrong. As the number of chicken buns increase from 10 to 20, the difference in total cost becomes lesser. So our next guess should be bigger than 20 so that our guess will be closer to the correct solution. Our next guess is 40 and that's what we get. For the first two guesses, the total cost of chicken bun is lesser than the total cost of kaya bun. But that is not the case when the number of chicken bun is 40. The total cost of chicken bun is now more than the total cost of kaya bun. So my next guess will be between 20 and 40. So the next guess is 30. The total cost of the chicken bun is lesser than the total cost of the kaya bun, and the difference is only $1. This means that we are getting closer and closer to the answer. Since the difference now is only $1, my next guess will be the number chicken bun is 31. And we have this. And the good news is that the difference in cost is now only 50 cents. So my next guess will be 32. And our guess is correct. Using the correct guess we have, this will be our final answer. I hope that you'll find this problem solving video useful. That's all I have for you now. Thanks, bye.